This is a before video. I'm going to do both packages on this car. Here. Needs a little shampooing on the inside. Get it all nice and clean. Won't be looking like this in a little bit. It'll take about 7 hours to do this car. We're going to polish it and wax it. Get all the dirt out of the inner wheel. Get all the brake dust. It's going to be shining and protected when we're done. This is a 2016 car. And we'll have an after video for you to look at. And we'll see you guys in a little bit. Have a great day. Port Angeles-Sequim Car Wash Man, Motorhome Wash Man, Facebook, YouTube, or Google.